Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix failed path too long error message in Google Chrome when you want to download a file. I have this problem, failed path too long. To solve this problem, we need to check the file name. You can also change the location. There are many reasons due to which you face this problem. Maybe your file name is too long, so you can smaller your file name. You can change the download location. You can save to another drive like D drive. So in this way you can fix this problem. So in this way you can solve the problem. Subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching the video.